Here's some numbers and all in this match so far in terms of blocking. San Sebastian, 11% success as compared to only 2% for Adamson.
Luan Latigay, that was a boss reception all the way from Margarita Pepito. 10-8 Adamson. Benting, Pepito, Ancheta, pushed there by De Vanadera. And Carpio and Bautista. Again, that was so confusing para sa Adamson. De Vanadera makes the play.
That's right. The first time De Vanadera just tips it over. Not the second time. She makes sure of that point.
10-9. Adamson still up by 1. Second set. They are down 0-2 in terms of number of sets. Gustilo turned back. Benting with coverage. Carpio. Back set. Nerissa Bautista. De Vanadera again.
De Vanadera is playing so well also for San Sebastian.
Everybody has done something with that quick set. Si Benito na lang yata hindi pa nakatikim ng quick set dito.
Exactly. And again, you got to credit to Zane Roses for good reception there.
Pocket 10s right now. Tied at 10. Si Norin natawa. Latigay.
Ang bilis mo talaga mag-isip eh.
Nakita ko yung dalawang G's eh. Oh, and Agustino able to get through to Vanadera that time. Adamson takes the lead once again.
Well, Jill Gustilo so far has been the lone bright spot in terms of reinforcing Nerissa Bautista.
Yes. Carpio now serving. Quick set right there. Nagulat ang Adamson because they thought it was going to be a boss play para sa kupunan ng San Sebastian. And De Vanadera again with the hang time making it happen.
That's right. Medyo malayo yung approach niya, but then again, she was able to tip it over.
Sasa De Vanadera now. Carpio. Bautista starting to lose her hang time, but now starting to gain a little bit of confidence as well.
Well, you're right, though, but in terms of numbers, she still leads this Adamson squad in terms of scoring.
And Adamson is up by 1 because of her last score. Latigay. Here's a setup for Benito. Turned back. Oh, he keeps it alive! Oh, Benito cannot get there in time.
Well, you gotta give it to San Sebastian.
Wow, Bowley was already on her knees when she got that one over. Take a look at this. Boom! Here's touch 3. Sabi ni Sang, nasan yung tao nyo sa likod? Naber.
Kaya magpakahirap kayo.
Nanood yung backline. Benito. And that one misses. Oh, Adamson is up by 3 and Roger Gorayev
is up with them.
is up also. And now screaming at the girls on the floor. Nerissa Bautista, once again, Roger Gorayev does not want to see a fourth set rather. Oh, what a awesome play there from Suzanne Roses.
Well, a left hand, even the left hand of Suzanne Roses wants to get into the scoring act.
Tingnan mo yung lundag niya, alam mo, uy!
Parang Michael Jordan.
But it is still Adamson up by 2. Latigay serving. Carpio. Soriano turned back by Roses. Here's Gustilo. Turned back by Roses again.
Natatawa na lang si Suzanne Roses. Ano ba? Swerte lang ba ako? Magaling ba ako?
Ganda ng timing ni Suzanne Roses doon.
Well, it pays to be thin. Ang daming hang time.
Exactly. And she's very, very talented also, ito si Suzanne Roses. Latigay. Carpio. Lagilla smiling before even attacks. And it'll be a check ball. Isa si Sang Lagilla, yung ngiti niya hindi mo mabasa kung saan galing eh.
Oh. She's really enjoying herself. Actually, every time she plays, hindi Adamson ang Adamson. Pag dito matawa si Sang Lagilla.
Well, here's Russell Albuna seeing action for the first time. Albuna, one of the younger players para din sa kupunan ng San Sebastian. Benting again got under it and overpowered it, and now it's just a 1-point lead for Adamson.
You know, I actually wonder, when you play the beach, will that really affect your timing when you come indoors?
But she's part of, I believe she's Adamson B ba siya o Adamson A? Dalawa kasi beach volleyball team nila eh.
But she actually partnered with Lindsay Ann Gata in beach volleyball tournament.
Gata is tied at 15. And here's Carpio. Soriano. Benito. Bowley. Oh, wow. Gata tries to get to it. She does, but sana magawa doon ang defense ng Adamson. And Adamson, you know, they were up by 3, 14-11, and now San Sebastian has reclaimed the lead. Back on this here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the lady to the right, Eleanor Navarro, of course, one of our best friends here at the Shakey's B-League. One of the hardworking members of the sports division group, taking in the action as well. And she's also quite tall.
Volleyball player.
Dati yatang volleyball player yata yan. And now it is 16-15. No more smiling for Adamson. They must win this set or go into a playoff against Ateneo. Laguillas. Here's Bowley. And that one just goes out.
Well, she's only human. Leading scorers here in this match for Adamson, it's Nerissa Bautista with 15 and Laguillas with only 5. So it has been actually Nerissa Bautista really carrying this Adamson squad. For San Sebastian, it's Bowley and Latigay.
At 14 apiece, and Suzanne Roses has sort of said, this third set will belong to me right on my back and we will win this game. Grabe nilaro ni Roses dito bigla.
Both in both sides.
That's right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Now Roses serving. If she aces this,
Sobra na.
oh, sobra na yun, di ba? Here's Benting. Turned back there by De Manadera. Laguillas gives up the free ball at the net already. Combination.
Oh, no!
Oh! At nakita ni Jill Gustilo ang buong buhay niya mula sa kanyang first steps as a child. Dumaan bigla ang buong buhay ni Jill Gustilo. The league's official website, www.v-league.ph, for all the latest from the Shakey's B-League, now on its 6th season, 18-16. San Sebastian up, and they're also up 2 sets to nothing here. Suzanne Roses, Nerissa Bautista, Joanna Botor Carpio, Sang Laguillas.
Well, 2 points is actually very manageable. Oh, now 3.
But because of Jake Bowley doing a Wonder Woman that time, ang ikot niya, biglang akaw. 19-16.